This is Amit. As 29 Shift 2 exam is done now, this concludes the JEE Mains 2025 first attempt examination. Soon I will provide you the updated all shift marks versus percentile, but as of now I am providing you 29th expected marks versus percentile and cutoff data as I provided you for other shift also. And I will be providing you all the regular updates, so kindly be on this channel and be a subscriber of this channel, so you will be getting all the updates. So for 99.9 to 45 marks, before that let me inform you, this was a typical JEE Mains paper, neither hard nor easy. It was moderate type of paper, so that is having impact on marks with percentile. So for 99.9 to 45, 99.5 225, 99 200 marks, 98 170. For 97 we need to have 150. For 96 135. For 95 125. For 93 105, 90 85, 85 70, 80 65, 75 55, 70 45 marks, 60 65, 40 marks, 60 36 marks, 50 30 marks, 40 25 marks is required. This was about marks versus percentile. Now I will discuss about advanced cutoff. Before that, let me inform you about my guidance and mentorship program. If you want, you can contact me. In the next section you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance regarding the all entrance exam across India. Whatever exam you are preparing for, I will be guiding you. That is complete guidance will be provided from mentors from IIT, NIT, BITS. For VIT, Manipal, Amrita, RB, SRM, all type of counseling guidance and mentorship will be provided to you, so that you can get the best result in all the entrance exam whatever you will appear. And further on I will be providing you the complete guidance for choice filling, decision making for the college, so that you will get the best college. First I will guide you for the best strategy and roadmap for each exam, so that you can get the result. You important chapters, topic, dedicated test series for every type of exam I will be providing to you directly. Here is the detail. General 105 to 110 marks, and percentile will remain 93 to 94. Even if you get in second attempt or first attempt, you are qualified for advanced examination. So OBC 64 to 68, EWS 65 to 70, SC 35 to 37, ST 27 to 29, and PWD you just need to reach the center. If you have reached and attempted the examination, no matter how many questions, you are qualified for JEE Advanced exam. So this was the complete information regarding 29 shift 2 expected marks versus percentile and cutoff. Thank you.